Cassie, are we not trying to have sex? No. Are we not? Are we not trying to have sex?
Hey.
Chill out.
Get out.
Dude, what's
going on?
My dad is a fucking lawyer.
I don't
try me, dog.
Police arrived at the scene after an emergency call from an eyewitness. The couple was in a heated argument, with Cassie appearing angry and intoxicated. Her boyfriend tried to calm the situation, but police quickly separated them for an investigation.
Chill out.
Get out.
Dude, what's going on?
I didn't do anything.
Back up. She's mad at you.
She's
Back
underage.
up.
Back up off the
She's
top.
drinking. She's underage.
Back up off her.
Back up.
Back up off.
That's fine.
But she's my right.
This person. No, that one.
Hey, okay, she's my right.
She asked you to back up.
I will back up. No. I don't press charges. I said I don't want to press charges. Hey, I said I don't want to press charges.
Give them a second. Give them a second. She's detained. She's not arrested. She's detained.
Can I talk to her then? Please, I'll calm her down.
With me.
Okay, I'll calm her down. No. We're not.
Cassandra,
Don't say
are you
nothing.
being fucking for
Don't
real?
say nothing. I'm
Cassandra.
trying to help
Hey.
you out. Don't say nothing. We're not
Cassandra.
We're not together. Don't say nothing.
Why the f*** you there, man? Fucking handcuffs, dude.
I don't want to press.
her.
No.
No.
Stop.
Don't say nothing.
Cassandra, I'm in fucking handcuffs right now.
Okay.
Do you want to press charges?
No, I don't want to press charges.
Come here. Talk to me.
Don't say nothing.
Cassandra.
Don't.
Dude, Cassandra, you fucking know me, dog.
Don't say nothing.
Here. Watch her.
I'm not having a f***ing conversation.
Sit down.
Hey, no. Please don't put her in there.
Back up.
No.
Back up.
Please.
I don't want to
Hey.
stand
This
up.
is not your show.
Yeah?
Stop talking.
Yeah, you
Let us
understand.
explain what's going
Dude,
on.
my dad is a fucking lawyer.
I don't
fucking
fuck.
try me, dog.
Hey.
You know what? Fuck y'all. Hey,
yeah.
no. Admit to George Hall. George Hall.
What's your name?
And just Johnny, that's my fucking father.
What's your name?
Talk to her. Said don't want to believe her. Talk to
No.
her.
So I'm trying to get your side of the story, okay?
Nothing fucking happened,
Okay.
dude. Why
Okay.
the fuck you guys detaining me right now?
Hey, just walk.
Nothing fucking happened.
Hey. So, okay.
No, bro, let me stand up. I can't sit down. I'm a fucking waitress. I've been up on my feet all day. Just let me stand up. You guys let me stand here.
Are you gonna
Just
calm
let me
down?
stand up. Yes, I fucking will, but let me
That
fucking
doesn't show
stand
me you're gonna
up.
calm down.
Bro,
You're
I've
yelling.
been on my feet for 13 fucking hours, dude. Like, what the fuck? I'm a fucking waitress, dog.
So what happened inside?
Nothing, bro. That's my fucking girlfriend.
Okay. So
People get in the fucking arguments. That's my fucking girl.
Okay, but then why are you putting hands on her?
Dude, that's my fucking girl. You ain't trying to fuck your girl once in a while?
Okay, that was not
Cassie,
Hey.
are we not trying to have sex? No.
No.
Are we not trying to have sex?
Hey.
Now, officers dig deeper. They ask the boyfriend his side. Nothing happened. It's just a normal couple argument. But they probe about pushing or shoving, which he downplays. The girlfriend, still cuffed, complains about discomfort and denies childish behavior. She mentions his dad is a lawyer and threatens suits, a common reaction but rarely effective on scene.
Hey, come on. Nope, she's
For
fine.
real?
So, but the thing is, you pushed her. You shoved her.
Okay.
That's what we're
Get my
concerned
hair out
about.
of my
okay?
mouth since y'all want to see me. Get my hair out of my mouth, otherwise I can't talk. Because it's just in my mouth. You see it, yeah? You see it right here?
That's how you're gonna act? You're gonna act
Get
like
my
a whole
hair out
child?
of my f***ing mouth. I'm not acting like a f***ing child.
You are acting like a child.
No, I'm not.
Do you want to go to jail? We're trying to just get your side of the story. What happened?
Talk to her then.
Bro, you're not helping
I'm not
yourself
saying
out.
shit, Cassie. There's nothing f***ing wrong, and yet they want to f***ing try me, dude. They're literally f***ing talk to her. There's nothing f***ing wrong. There's literally nothing f***ing wrong. Cassie, is there something wrong? No. No, there's nothing f***ing wrong. That's my f***ing girlfriend, dog. Like, what the f***? Y'all are f***ing tripping, dude. I can't. I wish I was in f***ing DeSoto County, dog. DeSoto, yeah, I'm from DeSoto. I'm from DeSoto County, yeah. So let's go there. Uncuff you, please.
Girlfriend.
Yeah, girlfriend.
Yeah, girlfriend.
So they were in the
I'm
club,
sorry, but these
and
handcuffs
people
are way
were
too tight
pushing
on
each
my
other around,
arms.
and she
And
said
I
she
frankly
shoved
have
me,
a bruise already
whatever.
on my knuckle, so you guys kind of have to let me go.
I don't know what the context of that was, if they were
Good luck with
arguing,
that.
but
And I
she's
will have
not
to
saying,
look
she's
for that.
saying don't
You
arrest
guys
her,
are only
don't arrest
police.
her.
I will have to look for that.
That's pretty much it. I thought it was like an unknown, almost like a disorder,
Yeah.
but what it,
I don't know what the context is. It might be worth figuring out. What the context
She's
is.
drunk.
Bro,
Clearly drunk.
Cassandra, Isis, let's go, ya voy. ¿Por qué gringos están? ¿Por qué?
Give her ID.
No.
She wouldn't give it to us.
No, and you guys never for it.
No.
What are you doing today? Stand up. No, I asked you to stand up. I asked you to stand up.
And we told you no.
No, my ID isn't here.
Okay, so what are we doing?
to provide your ID.
No, you guys,
What are we doing?
All right, I told you I'd tell you what's happening. So the one over there, she's going to jail. This one, they're going to finish talking to her and she's going to come back over here in a second.
Why? Can you just stay here and leave her alone?
What?
Can you just take the girl with the red t-shirt and leave the other girl?
Why?
Because she was the one with the problem. I swear to God, I was there.
We watched the whole thing happen.
It wasn't that.
All of us we just
I know.
It's kind of hard for us to not see it.
I know.
So our hands are tied. Now
Is
what-
every New Year like this?
Huh?
Is every New Year like this?
Every New Year.
That's crazy that you guys have to deal with this. I really appreciate your job because I can.
It's fine. I just wanted to let you know what was happening. So,
I know, and thank you so much for letting me know. Who is the guy that is over there?
He said that's her friend.
Okay. Jack? Did he say his name? Okay.
I'm not good at remembering names.
Can I please talk with her before you guys take you to jail? I don't know what she's saying. I have to talk with Nat. Just 1 minute. You can be there. I'm not
I
gonna
have
say.
to ask the officers that are doing the investigation. I wasn't. I asked them what was going on, so I could tell you.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Wait, hold on.
Officers remain professional, discussing the New Year's chaos and deciding one must go to jail per domestic statutes. Here, the girlfriend's insistence on no charges is noted, but policy overrides it to break cycles of abuse, as 50% of unreported domestics recur, per DOJ stats.
Please, this hurts.
I know it does. I've been
He's
that.
just trying to help me.
Okay.
He's trying to help me because it's your
And there's nothing I can do to switch this around. So even if y'all play that,
Can you do the upward? No, I'm not going to play you.
no, listen.
Stop. In our situation. You're prolonging. State of Florida gives us no
Yeah, you didn't report
It doesn't
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It happened in our presence.
and it's gonna be 100, right? To bail her out.
Is it
We
domestic
don't handle the
or are you guys
ball.
doing domestic dating?
Yeah.
Domestic, she has to make first appearance tomorrow.
So she has to go to jail.
Well, until this morning.
Right.
Until the morning. It's early
Until
morning.
9 a.m.
In 5 hours.
It's early
3
morning
o'clock in the
already, so
morning.
it's a
So
couple
it's
of
only going to be
hours.
like 5 hours.
And by the time she gets back there, it's probably going to be more like 3 or 4.
Give me your keys.
Get your car in.
It depends on if the Bud Light semi-truck is still parked
has your
across the line.
keys?
Do you want me to go check? Can you guys watch?
Oh yeah, we'll watch it.
Alright.
If not, hey, if not, you can pull it up over here.
I'm not just
I'll
because
try and get it close enough.
I know. Don't say that makes them wrong. I'm not pressing charges.
And that'll be notated. Hey, that'll be notated.
What is notated?
You do not want to press charges.
Okay, yeah. Make that very well clear. I'm not pressing charges for
it goes
nothing.
in there.
Okay.
The
Okay.
state statute says we have to make the arrest.
Okay. But an estimate. How much do I have to pay for her to get out?
We don't set the bond.
The judge
I
sets
just know
it
that
up.
after first appearance tomorrow is when the judge sets it up.
What time is the first appearance?
I believe it's 9 a.m. They started.
Hey, I won't call your parents. I won't. I'll get you out. Okay?
I have all the money, Cassie.
I will get you out.
Take my money,
The bond
please.
yourself out.
Can I get her
Take my
first?
money. Take my money.
Can I get
Take
her
my
first?
money. Take my money. Take Cassie. Take my money, please. No.
You want the person to come with you?
The last time this happened, a cop finessed her from bailing me out, so we're not doing this again.
You want the person to come
They
with you?
robbed you.
With her. No. I'm locking it down.
A cop stole $300 from my phone. I'm just saying, a sheriff from the Soto County job.
Stop.
I'm not verifying that right now.
Remember when you told me that you didn't have your driver's
license. I'm not gonna lie.
I can't have that. Hey, baby, it's okay. Bro, I'm getting arrested. I'm getting arrested. I'm getting arrested. Calm down. I'm getting arrested. I'm getting arrested.
What do you mean?
I'm getting arrested. For nothing.
I'm not sure what you're asking.
The turning point. Officers inform the girlfriend she's under arrest for domestic violence. She protests, and the boyfriend offers to bail her out with cash, emphasizing neither wants charges. They discuss bail around $100 and a court appearance the next morning.
Okay.
Hey, you want me to call your parents, yes or no?
No. I'll call him in jail.
No, do not call him. You're getting out first thing in the morning. Do not
Give me your bag. No, I'll tell you his number. No,
like a phone.
you call my number. Okay, I'm gonna call you.
Hey.
Hey, he's gonna follow me. No, I need to just write down the number. No, I don't need my
Get your numbers before we transfer.
No, I see my number. I see the numbers. No. Before you transfer, you said before you transfer.
Right, we gotta go to the car.
Right there. Baby. Before you transfer. You said before you transfer.
You're drunk, you're not listening.
No, I am. No.
You need to be going to the car and
Put the camera against me.
I don't know what to do. Then I can call her that.
Before you transfer.
Are you sure? That's not gonna make it worse.
There's nothing saying you can't go. The car leaves.
We get your
I don't know. She's confused me. Why don't you release her? Parents.
I don't know.
Because she's lying. I don't know what she's doing.
Hey! Hey, I need the f***ing numbers!
Just let me call her that.
Back up or you're getting charged too.
I need the numbers! I need the f***ing numbers! You guys just said before you and I need the numbers! I don't have the numbers! I don't have the numbers! They're
drop
in
down,
my
I'm gonna
car!
carry you.
They're in my phone! I don't have the numbers! No! I do not have the numbers! Look! I do not have the numbers! You guys, dog. The police are f***ing show. Bro, I just said, can I see the numbers?
I can show her.
No, you didn't let me though. Then let me get my friends.
Hold
We have the
on.
numbers.
I know,
They
we're
have
doing
the
that
numbers.
before you
Then why
leave.
didn't you let me? Check me. Losing this. Because they told me.
Do you have anything on you? Any weapons?
No, I fucking don't,
All right.
dude. I'm a fucking girl. I'm a girl. All I got is my bra. My panties on me, dude.
Perfect. All right.
All I need is the numbers. All I need is the numbers. These guys, dude.
Can you move your feet further apart for me?
You want me to open up my pussy for these men?
No, I am searching you. I am searching you.
No, please do this. Whatever the fuck is my earring. Wait, can we do the other one of the
They'll handle that at the jail, all right? They'll handle that at the jail.
No. Thank you. Mommy, you're a girl, right?
Yes, I'm a girl.
Can you please listen to these at least once? Because you might be trying to explain, bro. I'm listening to you, bro. No, bro, look at my body, dog. I have an audible now. Bro, I literally have an audible. Look at these days, bro.
Okay, all right. I don't know what that has to do.
I have like 3 months left. Hey, wait, is there pee in there? No. I heard
Sit in the
about
car.
something in
Sit in
there.
the car.
I just cleaned it, okay?
Wait,
I
are you
just
sure?
wiped it out, yes.
Can I have a wet one spike?
I don't have any on me. I just
Please,
cleaned it.
no, I heard about cop cars. No, I
You need to
please.
get in there.
I heard about cop cars. They're disgusting.
Come on, don't catch a resisting charge.
No, but they're
by making us carry
disgusting.
it.
They're disgusting.
I just cleaned it, all right?
You're a girl.
I cleaned it after my last transport, all right?
In the end, the girlfriend is transported to jail, still upset about the handcuffs and situation. The boyfriend's efforts to intervene fall short, and bystanders applaud the officer's handling. Potential outcomes: a misdemeanor charge, possible probation or dismissal if no prior record, but the emotional toll is real. Arrest despite no charges pressed, and the